Ba't naging English? Hindi naman Englishera. Nabili mo na rin, no? Nabili ko na rin kasi. You know what? Sobrang excited ko na mini lip butter ng BLK X-Ray. It's so me. So first of all, I'm a big fan of Ann Curtis. Kaya big fan din ako ng BLK. And then Ray Hermar. Then itong collection na to ng mga mini lip butter, it's so me because marami kaming similarities ni Ray. Nakakatuwa. And alam ko Bianca rin yung second name niya ata or third name. 1996. Parehas kami 1996. Parehas kaming Virgo. And also, I really like the packaging. Ba't naging English? Hindi naman Englishera. Also, ang ganda ng packaging niya. It's so cute. It's so small. Tin can. Oh, it's so cute. So, kahit nasa case siya, travel-friendly pa rin siya. Kasha siya sa handbag. Because it's so small. Ayan lang siya. For reference, maliit lang yung kamay ko Yung tatlong mini lip butters and stickers. So, ito rin yung isa pang reason kung bakit gustong-gusto ko siya kasi mahilig ako sa stickers. The stickers are so cute. So, we have ballerina shoes, the dress, the lip butters. Look, sobrang cute. Okay, X-ray. Oh, it's all here. So, everything is perfect. Handy. Meron kang lalagyan na tin can. And then minis that you can use. And also, ito pala, ang cute ng mga keychains niya. Sa 1996, meron siyang keychain na camera. Virgo, change siya ng airplane. Outro, ang keychain niya is BLK. BLK. Oh, di ba? It's so cute. So, yung keychains, removable din siya. So, kahit tanggalin mo siya dito sa lip butter, magagamit mo pa rin yung keychains. So, it's nice to use this container as a caboodle or anything else. It's still spacious. So, maliit siya, but, ayan. Perfect nga for traveling. Yung mga travel size nyo na skincare, kasya siya dito. Kasya yung inhaler, little travel skincare, your clips, your bracelets. Ang random. Yan kasi yung mga nasa harap ko. Anyway, so ayan nga, kasya siya. So, pag mag-travel ka, maliit lang siya. Meron ka ng container, hindi ka kalat sa bag mo. And then, put it inside your bag. I love it. So, I'm gonna try the most promising one for me. Shade 1996. Small only. Love it. I like it. So, the other ones, isa-swatch natin. Both Outro and Virgo. Maganda siya for daily use. So, kung gusto mo maging sweet girl ito. Kung gusto mo ng mga nude colors, go for the Outro. 1986 is Virgo and Outro. So, if you're a frequent traveler, this is perfect for you. Because everything is useful from the products, from the lip butters, the keychains, and also the container. You can use it for your travels. So thank you so much, Ann Curtis and BLK and Ray Harbar for doing this because it speaks a lot to me. Because it speaks a lot to me and I really feeling ko talaga you made it for me. Final look. Okay, thank you. Bye.